Algorand value equivalent to $0.465 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $371.486. The earlier day close, $412. The change was plus NA53, plus 220%. Converse rate, OS to Algo. Dollar to Algorand gauge for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 4,762 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,882, while low 4,762. The found the middle value of cost 5,2 at 41. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 5,556, change for June 16.7%. US to Algo expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 5,556 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,556, while low 4,545. The found the middle value of cost 5,105. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 4,762, change for July 14.3%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for August 2024. To start with cost at 4,762 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,762, while low 3,846. The found the middle value of cost 4,384. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 4,167, change for August 12.5%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for October 2024. Before all else cost at 4,000 coins. Excessive cost 4,000, while low 3,333. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,726. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 3,5071, change for October 10.7%. US to Algo expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 3,571 coins. Excessive cost 3,704, while low 3,226. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,487. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 3,4048, change for November 3.4%. Dollar to Algorand figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 3,4048 coins. Excessive cost 3,571, while low 3,125. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,369. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 3,333, change for December 3.3%. Initially cost at 3,333 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,448, while low 3,030. The found the middle value of cost 3,259. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 3,226, change for January 3.2%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for February 2025. To start with cost at 3,226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,333, while low 2,941. The found the middle value of cost 3,156. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 3,125, change for February 3.1%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 3,125 coins. Excessive cost 3,226, while low 2,857. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,060. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 3,030, change for spring 3%. Dollar to Algorand figure for April 2025. In the first place cost at 3,030 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,125, while low 2,778. The found the middle value of cost 2,969. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,941, change for April 2.9%. Before all else cost at 2,941 coins. Excessive cost 3,125, while low 2,778. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,946. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2,941, change for May 1%. Dollar to Algorand figure for June 2025. To start with cost at 2,941 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,941, while low 2,381. The found the middle value of cost 2,707. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,564, change for June 12.8%. US to Algo expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 2,564 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,632, while low 2,273. The found the middle value of cost 2,477. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,439, change for July 4.9%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for August 2025. In the first place cost at 2,439 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,125, while low 2,439. The found the middle value of cost 2,736. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,941, Change for August 26%. Us to Algo expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 2.41 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.30, while low 2,703. They found the middle value of cost 2.80.83. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2.857, change for September 2.9%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 2.857 coins. Exorbitant cost 2.857, while low 2.273. They found the middle value of cost 2.607. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2.439, change for October 14.6%. In the first place, cost at 2.439 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.30, while low 2.4839. They found the middle value of cost 2.691. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2.857, change for November 17.1%. Dollar to Algorand figure for December 2025. Before all else, cost at 2.857 coins. Excessive cost 2.41, while low 2.500. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.750. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2.703, change for December 5.4%. US to Algo expectation for January 2026. Before all else, cost at 2.703 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.448, while low 2.703. They found the middle value of cost 3.020. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 3.226, change for January 19%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 3.226 coins. Exorbitant cost 4.167, while low 3.226. They found the middle value of cost 3.616. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 3.846, change for February 19.2%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at 3.846 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,000, while low 3.846. They found the middle value of cost 4.309. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 4.5045, change for spring 18.2%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 4.545 coins. Exorbitant cost 4.762, while low 4,000. They found the middle value of cost 4.4014. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 4.348, change for April 4.3%. US to Algo expectation for May 2026. At the outset, cost at 4.3848 coins. Excessive cost 5,000, while low 4.3248. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.615. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 4.762,